so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're at Dig This in Las Vegas, Nevada. Whoa! Ha-ha! And today, you and I are gonna learn about the word crush. Do you know the word crush? Yeah, it means to destroy, pulverize, and just smash things. Come on, let's go. Wait a second. Do you see what I see? Yeah, eggs. Whoa, 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. I love eggs, but today I'm not gonna eat this egg. Today, I'm going to crush this egg. Ready? Okay, let's find some more things to crush. Woo! Hey, look! Whoa! Look at what it is! It's a soda can! I think we should crush this, but be sure to never try this at home. And the only reason why I'm gonna do it is because I have shoes on. All right, here we go! Whoa! Look at it! It's so small! Woohoo! Yeah! I love crushing things! That was awesome! Oh, hey, perfect! Look at what it is! This is a watermelon. It looks like it's ready to be crushed! Oh! Are you ready? Oh! Whoa! Yeah! That's awesome! Yeah! Look! The watermelon is crushed! Alright, let's see what else we can find and crush! Whoa! Wait a second. No way! There's a car right there! Let's crush the car! Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa! Before I crush the car, I need to wear my safety gear. All right. Whoa! I have a bright yellow safety vest. Perfect. All right. And then I got my hard hat and safety glasses. All right. Oh, wait a second. This needs to be perfect. Okay, here we go. Oh! All right, let's give it a whirl. Whoa! Whoa! I'm trying to crush it, but it's not really working. Let's try the door. Oh, interesting. I'm not getting very far. All right, one last one. All right, anywho, I have an idea. We need a bigger tool for this job. But before that, let's write crush on it. Perfect. All right, we have some spray paint. We have red, green, blue, pink, and black. So first, let's take some white paint. All right, pour some in right there. And let's give it a nice white base coat. All right. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, there we go. Perfect. A little bit more white right there. All right. take our colorful spray paint and let's paint the word crush on it. All right, let's start with the color green. Perfect. All right, what other colors do we have? Let's do red. Yeah! C-R. Now let's do black. Oh, yeah! Just 2 more letters. C-R-U. Let's use the color pink now. All right, last letter. C-R-U-S. The color blue for the letter H. Wrote the word crush on it. All right. C-R-U-S-H. Woo-hoo-hoo! Now we're ready to crush this. So let's get a big machine for this. Ha-ha! And the perfect machine is a toy excavator. Whoa! What better machine to destroy and crush this car than an excavator? But wait a second, this toy can't do it. That's why I have a real excavator! All right, let's crush this car. Okay, first things first, let's keep this toy excavator right back there. Let's put on our headset. Right? Perfect. All right, and now let's put on our hard hat. Okay, so let's take our safety belt. Yeah, just like the seat belt in your car. Now that we're all strapped in, we're ready to crush. Now, let's crush it some more! Yeah!
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet? How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Hey, it's time to act like an excavator. I'll teach you. All you gotta do is bring up your arm, like it's the arm in the boom in the bucket, and start to scoop. That's fun!
I've got a place where workers sit. It's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Excavator.
Whoa! That was so crazy crushing that car! Let's go check it out. Come on. Whoa! Look, the letters. C-R-U-S-H. Crush! Whoa, look at it. It's so crushed. Whoa, here's the steering wheel. Whoa, and the seats and the windshield. Wow, that was crazy. Well, thank you so much for learning about the word crush with me. And hey, special thanks to Dig This in Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, see you later, kids. Bye-bye. Hey! My name's Blippi. What's your name? Whoa! I really like your name. Look at where I'm at. Whoa! I am at an ice skating rink. And this ice skating rink is the Kent Valley Ice Skating Rink in Kent, Washington. Whoa! Ooh, ice is so cold. Whoa! It's really cold. But look at what I'm wearing. Yeah! These are ice skates. Whoa! Look! Whoa! Whoa! I love ice skating rinks because you can ice skate, you can even play hockey. Whoa! What's this? Whoa! This is a zamboni! And today, you and I are gonna learn about zambonis! All right, now let's learn a little bit more about the Zamboni. Zamboni. What a silly name. Look, there it is right there. Let's spell Zamboni together. Ready? Z-A-M-B-O-N-I. Zamboni. Whoa! Here I go! Whoa! Zambonis are used to resurface the ice at the ice rink, the hockey rink. Whoa! What an interesting looking machine. Can you see what shape it looks like? Yeah, it looks like a rectangle. Do you see any other common shapes that Zamboni has on it? Yeah! The wheels and tires. They are circles. Hey, speaking of wheels and tires, come check them out. Whoa! Looks like the tires have these little metal spikes in them. Do you see them? Boop, 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 boop. These spikes are used to dig into the ice and grip the ice so then the Zamboni doesn't slip and slide when it drives on the ice. Whoa! All right, let's see what else this Zamboni has. Oh, hey! This is the dump tank. When all the ice gets pushed up to the front, this is where all the ice shavings go. It's kind of like a giant snow cone. All right, come back here. Whoa. This whole unit, is the conditioner. And one cool part of the conditioner is right in here. Whoa. So there's like a razor blade down there that shaves the ice. It's really hard to see, but this, looks like a spiral. This is an auger that pushes all the ice to the center, then goes to the top, and then goes to the dump tank. Whoa. Whoa. And look at this. Here's some pipes. So what these pipes have water in them, and they spray water up, down, to the left, to the right, and then from there, the water goes on the ice, and then it melts and it makes it really smooth and flat. Okay, watch this. Whoa! Okay, all right. All right, I think it's time to turn on the Zamboni. See these? These are propane tanks. This is what powers the Zamboni. All right, let's fire it up. Turn on the key. Whoa! All right, check this out. But that's the dump tank. That's where all the ice goes, and then you dump it into the ice bin in the back. Okay, but come over here. It's really loud because that is the motor. Whoa. That's what provides the Zamboni with all of its power. Ooh, and right here, this is the water tank. the Zamboni gets all of its water from. All right, I'm gonna go resurface the ice rink. Oh! Do you see that? Come here. This is a board brush. It goes at the base of the board all around the ice rink and pushes all of everything in the middle for the augers and the blades to then get pushed to the top, to the forward, and then you can recondition the ice. Wow! Board brush. Whoa! This is the pro shop. This is where you get all of your hockey gear. Whoa, hockey sticks? So cool! All right, we'll look at those later. But right now, we need to sharpen my blades on my skates. All right, and this is the sharpening room. Wow. So cool! All right, this is the Blade Master. Yeah, see this? There's metal on the bottom of this skate, and we need to sharpen it. This is the sharpening station. So let's put the skate right here, slide this, tighten that just a little bit, pull that up. Now, it's ready to sharpen. Okay, turn on the light, and then there was light. All right. Here we go. Whoa. Do you see those sparks? Here we go. Whoa! All right. Woo! Ah, that's sharp. All right. Now we're ready. All right, let's go check out some hockey gear. Oh, some pads. Yeah, a lot of pads because ice is really hard. You don't want to fall down. Ooh, and some more pads. Do you see what I see? Orange and blue hockey sticks. No way. Look, the color orange. Yeah, and blue. Wow. Oh, hey, look. Here's two different kinds of hockey sticks. Do you see how they curve differently? See, this one curves that way, and this one curves that way. Wow. See? I'll give you an example. So you take this one, and you fling the puck this way, because it curves that way. But this one, it curves the other way. So you fling the puck that way. Oh, hey, look, a perfectly placed hockey puck. All right, hey, I got the perfect stick. I got my skates, and I got the hockey puck. So now, let's go play some hockey. Whoa! Oh, all right. Now that we have our hockey stick, yeah, and our hockey puck, another fun thing to do at ice skating rinks is learn to play. And maybe at your ice skating rink, they have learn to play as well, where you, as a child, can learn to play hockey. And the point of hockey is to get the puck, using the stick, into the hockey goal. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, this is the goal. Whoa. Whoa. So what you do, like I said, take the puck and get it inside the hockey goal past this line with the hockey stick. All right, let's try it again. It's gonna be a little bit easier because normally there's a goalie right there. It's so much fun playing hockey because the puck slides on the ice just like my skates. Oh, I missed. That's okay. Because when you play sports, if you miss, you just have to try again, like this. Woo! And eventually, you'll win. This right here is a specialty move. It's called a knuckle puck. You take the puck, put it down vertically like that, and give it a whack. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Quack, 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 quack. Go Blippi! Ooh, check this out. Now, for the next activity, I have a handle and a rope, and it's attached to the back of the zamboni. And for this sport, I call it Zamboni skating. All right, hit it. That was so much fun learning about the Zamboni with you, as well as hockey, and ice skating. Special thanks to the Kent Valley Ice Center. Wow, what a fun time we had. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Okay. Blippi. Blippi! Good job. Bye-bye! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're at the Pasadena Humane Society to see which animals need a home. I am so excited. Come on! Ooh, okay, now we're at the shop where you can buy treats and toys and food and so many things for all the pets here. Okay, what do they have? Ooh, look. Every day is Catterday. That's funny. This is where the cats eat their food. That's funny. Oh, look over here. Some toys. Whoa. This is called lamb chop. Ooh, and it looks like a little fish. I bet this is for a kitty to play with because kitties love to play with fish. Okay. Ooh. Some crates. Look, if you need to transport your pet from the Humane Society, you will probably take it inside a crate like this. See? So then they're nice and safe when they travel. Ooh. And leashes. Wow, look at all these colorful leashes. This leash is the color red. Ooh. This leash is the color pink. Ooh. I bet you know this color. I wear this color all the time. Yeah, it's the color blue. Ooh. Come on this side. Wow. Look at this color. Yeah. It's so bright and vibrant. This color is the color pink. Ooh, yum. Some more treats. Oh, but wait a second. This looks like it's for... I can't open it anymore. Hey, can of food, come here. Ooh, some cat food. Oh, more bowls. These look like dog bowls. Oh, ooh, come over here. If you have a dog, or maybe even a cat, you've probably seen these bags. Yeah, they have a lot of food in them. And I think this is for chickens. Or maybe it just has a chicken flavor to it. Ooh, and treats. Yeah, look at this. These are treats, and dogs love these. Maybe we can get these and go feed them to a doggy. Come on. Ooh, do you see this dog? This dog's name is Timmy. Ooh, and do you see right here? He has a bow tie on, just like how I have a bow tie. But my bow tie is the color orange, and Timmy's bow tie, do you see the color? Whoa, hey Timmy. Timmy's bow tie is the color red. Wow, that's a really cool bow tie, Timmy. Hey, remember the treats we got earlier? Yeah, Timmy loves them. Hey, Timmy, look at what I have for you. A treat. Yum. Timmy loves these treats. This is equivalent to like our, a nice tasty salad. Or even maybe like a piece of pizza. Yum. Good boy, Timmy. Okay, last one. Here you go. Okay, now let's play with Pierre and Panther. There they are. See, this right here is Panther. Hello, Panther. So cute and so soft. Hello. See? Oh, so cute. Okay, you wanna go say hello to Pierre? Hey! Oh, oh hey! Oh, hi! Oh, I wonder if they're siblings. I don't know. But they look so similar. Hey! Oh, there's some toys over here. Let's go get some. Oh, let's see if they like these. Hey. Okay, you want a toy? Oh, I guess not. Hey, you want a toy? You want a tennis ball? Ready? Okay, here we go. Oh, you want this toy? What about this toy? They are so cute.
It's a kitty cat. This kitty's nice and tired. I think it just took a nap. You know, in the middle of the day, when sometimes you take a nap. This kitty just took one of those. I wonder if the kitty had a dream. Yeah, and look at this. Whoa, this is a cat toy. Hey kitty, hey kitty. I don't think it wants to play right now, but cats love to play. And it's really important to play with your pets. Like this. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. That's funny. Oh! See, there's more cats in here. Look at this one. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Oh, there's more over here. Oh, wow. A lot of them are sleeping. Oh, hey, look. Hey.
Hi!
Ooh, what do you have here?
I have Pumpkin. Pumpkin is one of the cats that we have available to find a new home today.
Ooh.
Yeah, she came to us with nobody to care for her. We're hoping somebody comes and takes her home and makes them hers.
Oh, wow. Can I pet Pumpkin?
Sure can.
Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, Pumpkin. Ooh, Pumpkin is really nice and really sweet. Hey.
Isn't she pretty?
Yeah, she is.
The green eyes.
Oh, so pretty. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Huh, the critter house. I wonder what kind of critters are in here. Come on. Wow, this room is great. Ooh, look. Hello. It's sleeping, but there's a guinea pig right here. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Oh, what's over here? Oh, hey, birdie. Oh, it's a bird. Look. Coo, cute little bird. Oh, look. That bird was white. And look, there's a white rabbit. Wow. You see that rabbit? Hey, I have a treat for you. Come look over here. Wow. I have a rabbit friend right down here. Huh. Okay. Oh, where are you going? Look. Hey, rabbit. Oh, there it is. Hey. It's running around. Hey. Oh. Hello. Rabbits have really big ears. Okay. Rabbit, hey, how are you? Oh, it's really soft. And their ears are big. Okay, bye-bye. Yahoo! That was awesome! Yeah! So many cute animals! Well, see you later. Bye-bye!
A pet keeps you my very best friend. You've gotta take care of your pets. My pet is my very best friend. You've got to feed 'em and clean 'em. Sometimes you've gotta teach 'em how to behave. Sit, Fido, sit. Some pets you have to walk with them. Others you can talk to them. And some you have to clean out the cage. Spiders and birds and ants and worms, these are the pets. Ponies and frogs, hamsters and hogs, these are the pets. My pet is my very best friend. You've gotta take care of your pets. My pet is my very best friend. Come on, everybody, sing along. My pet is my very best friend.